Hey everybody, I'm Keith and you're watching Rivers, Ponds and Campfires. If you like adventure and outdoor content, well, this is the place for you. I have a couple weeks off now for summer vacation, so I'm headed into the wilderness, going up to my Bushcraft log cabin where I have a couple of projects planned. But the first order of business, I want to see how the cabin held up over the winter and the long spring that we've had. So come on, let's get on the go. Chimney held up good, the windows intact. So everything looks good inside. There is very little sign of water on the roof, which is great. Everything held up. The bench, everything's nice and good there. And the fireplace, a little bit of wood too. I forgot that I had a bit of wood now from the last overnight here. So that's pretty awesome. I'm pretty happy now that the Bushcraft log cabin has held up so well over the winter. We had a really harsh winter. We actually had a really wet and windy spring as well. So there's no further damage to the roof. Everything was nice and dry inside. The moss for the most part has held up. The fireplace, the chimney, no sign of anybody entering the cabin. All my gear is still here. No sign of any animals, so that's awesome. So let me tell you now about my plans up here at the cabin now over the next couple of weeks. Number one, today I want to get a little homestead vegetable garden started. I figure that an off-grid log cabin like this, if you have a couple of hardy vegetables, I'm looking to plant some potatoes, carrots, and turnip today. But I got a lot of work ahead of me because I got to prepare the ground and get everything planted there. So it's not going to be a huge garden, but I'm definitely excited to see some vegetables growing here over the next little wall. It'll be a little project and be really cool now to see how the garden comes along. So that's the plan for today, and I got some food and I want to set up my hammock and just kind of hang out up here and enjoy it. Then over the next couple of days, a few projects that I need to do. There's a lot of windfall around here. I have a lot of the bark that I shaved off from last time when I was up here last summer doing the build off of all the logs. So there's a lot of cleanup that I have to do, and of course all that windfall is going to be processed in the firewood, so I'll have lots of firewood then for the fall and the winter. The big project on the cabin itself is I want to revamp the roof. So I wasn't completely happy with the roof last year, just the way that it came to be. It worked. I mean, it was functional. I never had any water in or anything, but there's definitely a couple of things that I want to fix up on that. So that's going to be the big project on the cabin over the next week or two. And then I have a few little projects that I want to do around the cabin. I'd like to do a little patio here in front, and I'd like to get like a chair and a table, like a little bench, a little table that I can have, that I can bring out here on the patio and also be able to eat and sit down on in the cabin itself. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I got a little bit of work here. It's not going to be as intense as last summer. By the way, if you're interested in checking out the full cabin build series, you can see there's a video that I have up on the channel that's the full build from start to finish, and you can also go back into the playlist and you can look at the full, I think it's probably 9 or 10 videos that I had up there of the full build last year, so check that out. So anyway, I got a bit of work ahead of me today, but what a beautiful day to be up here at the cabin. Once again, thanks for joining me up here on Rivers, Ponds and Campfires. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and make sure that you check along now over the next couple of weeks to see how I make out up at the cabin. So I'm thinking the best place that I can put the garden to is right around here. Got to have, of course, good sun exposure, so you can see that this area here is pretty opened up. I got to, even though I don't plan to remove all the Windfall today, I think I'm just going to take the top of this tree out of it for now and just clear up some of the Windfall from here, just throw it to the side, and later on in the week bring up the chainsaw and process all that for firewood. But I want to have a little garden right here, just basically clear out some of the rocks and pile some topsoil up there, and then plant the turnip, potato, and carrot today. You can see the roots of this huge tree right here. So this tree fell down sometime in the past few months. And you can see how close it is to the cabin, so luckily it fell that we never came down on top. Alright, well this is it. I'm going to start just digging up here, getting the sod up, and trying to level up a little bit, but basically just piling topsoil. This is where the garden's going to go. Definitely good sun exposure here, as you can see. The sun is out, and it should be a great spot now to set a few plants for the summer. Luckily I'm only doing like a small garden. You can see all the roots that are in the ground here and all the rocks as well. So I'm going to have to take out some of these big rocks, cut all the roots away, and hopefully there'll be some good topsoil then that I can plant in. Luckily I had a few tools kicking around from last summer when I was up here building a cabin. I wasn't thinking I was going to have to cut these roots like this, but you can see these big roots that just go right across. But once I cut it up and get most of the big rocks out of it, and I got a rake there, there's lots of nice topsoil. So it's only going to be a small garden, thankfully, but bit of work just clearing it. There's another big rock that's coming up against. So I'm trying to get it up. It's close though. Well guys, what a day so far. A little bit behind in terms of what I thought I was going to get done today. I've got the garden just about ready to plant. I'm going to have 3 rows there, one for the potatoes, one for turnip and one for carrot. So I'm going to get a bite to eat first because I'm starved. There was that one big rock at the end. I thought that I was close on getting ready to plant, but that took me a good hour and a bit to get out because it was so large and it was in really good. Anyway, that's it. I got her done now, but it's definitely time to eat. So see if we'll have some time afterwards to get some of the seeds into the ground. It's too nice to cook inside, so I'm just gonna sit here on the porch. This is one of the reasons why I want to get a little bench made, a little stool for inside the cabin. I can also use it for outside once I get the little patio made. Just got a bit of hockey tape on all the gear so it wouldn't be rattling around inside the bag. Good lunch. So I'm not going to do any more work today. I'm going to set up the hammock and just kind of chill and relax for a little bit before I take off. When I come up tomorrow the next day, then the plan is to actually plant the garden and then start cleaning up some of the windfall that's here.